All right, guys, we are officially back with part 2 of this video. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX here, back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the second step of verification in your Coinbase and being able to not just buy and sell cryptocurrencies, but now being able to make purchases and receive payment through cryptocurrencies as well by enabling the send and receive option right up here on the top right hand corner. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and watch part 1 of this video where we went over setting up your Coinbase account as well as the first step of verification and buying your first cryptocurrencies. We used Bitcoin as an example. Once you're done watching that first video, come back to this one and we're going to jump into how to send and receive cryptocurrencies. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So as you guys see here, once we go ahead and click this button, if we are not yet verified to do so, it is going to let us know that we have to enable sending before being able to send and receive any kind of cryptocurrencies. And when we talk about sending, there's a difference between buying and selling, which is buying or selling, a crypto like Bitcoin, for example, and sending and receiving. Sending would more so be for making a purchase or maybe funding a broker account for all of my traders out there or something like that. So being able to actually use Bitcoin to buy something would be sending, and receiving would be someone sending you some Bitcoin or other cryptos as well. And obviously, if you are trading or investing, then receiving is pretty much us making our withdrawals from our broker's accounts and receiving it straight to our Coinbase. So let's go ahead and let's get this verified. We're going to click this verify your account button, and it's going to give us a few options. So you have your driver's license and your state issue ID. Whichever one you are more comfortable with, go ahead and do this. Now, if you don't have an ID or a license, you can come down to here and click I don't have one of these IDs. You'll click that button and it will pretty much tell you what are the next steps or what it is that you need to do, what type of photo ID can I provide, so on and so forth, for you guys to just go ahead and follow this. But we're going to go based off of the fact that you do have one of these. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click driver's license, and it'll give you 3 options: webcam, mobile camera, and file upload. So if you are on your computer, or maybe if you're on your phone and you can just easily just take a picture of your IDs, or you already have it, you can upload it straight by clicking this button. If you are on your computer, you can either use the webcam feature or the mobile camera, whereas if I click mobile camera, it'll text me a link to my phone, and all I have to do is click the link and upload the pictures straight from there. So the link was sent to my phone. I went ahead and uploaded everything straight from my phone, and as you can see, it went ahead and verified right here on my computer as well. Congratulations, your identity has been successfully verified. Super easy, right? So I'll just come here now, and now that I've done that, I'll go ahead and refresh the page. So now, as you guys can see, it no longer says that I need to verify the account. So you have 2 options here, send and receive. Now, as we already went over, when it comes to sending, this is pretty much sending money to another Bitcoin wallet, or making a payment, making a purchase, so on and so forth. When it comes to receiving, this is receiving money or receiving Bitcoin from another wallet. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our first transaction and sending some Bitcoin to another wallet. Now, in this example, because I am a trader, and I know a lot of you here are traders as well, I'm just going to be using a broker's account example. It's all the same exact concept, whether you're sending it to a broker, you're making a purchase, or you're sending it to another person. It's the same exact process. But what you're going to want to do is very simple. We're going to go up to the top. You're going to hit the send and receive button, okay? So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and put in the desired amount that you want to send. I'm just going to go ahead and send $10 as an example. All right, under that, you're going to see where it says to. This is who you're going to be sending it to. Now, if you're doing it from Coinbase to Coinbase, you can simply just put the Coinbase email address or the phone number of the person you're sending it to. But if you're sending it to like an actual address or something like that, you're going to have to go ahead and collect the address of wherever it is that you're sending the Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and head to the broker. Once you're on your broker's page, you're going to go ahead and click account funding. Very simple. It's going to bring you up to the funding tab. You want to just go ahead and put whatever desired amount you want to go ahead and fund into your broker. Again, this is an example, and I'm only going to be sending $10. Scroll down to the bottom, click Bitcoin, and then you see here it says fund this account.
So whenever you're sending Bitcoin to someone, there's two ways to typically send the coin. Number one, it's through scanning the QR code. If you are doing it through your phone, and maybe you can put your phone up to the screen and scan the QR code. I like to do it like that. It's super easy and straight to the point. Or you can simply just copy and paste the Bitcoin address, as you guys see right here. This is the Bitcoin address. You can put copy address, all right, and it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. You'll go back to your Coinbase, and then right here on the to section, who am I sending it to? I'm sending it to that Bitcoin address that I just copied. So you're simply just gonna put the Bitcoin address there. Very simple. If you want, you can leave a note. I'll put broker fund, all right? And then you hit continue. Now, again, there are fees. As you guys see here, sending $10, there is a little bit of fee there. It's gonna come out to $13.11. So again, as I said before, you're gonna wanna go ahead and fund a little bit more than what you want to send to take care of those fees. But we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and click send now. All right, so because this is my first transaction of actually sending and receiving, I'm just gonna have to go ahead and verify it. So as you guys see here, they texted me a confirmation code. So once you receive the code on your phone, just gonna go ahead and type it in. It is a one-time verification code, so you should be good to go. Click confirm, give it a few seconds, and voila, there you go. The transaction usually takes less than 10 minutes, so just give it a little bit of time. It has to go ahead and verify on the blockchain. But what you can do, if you are curious as to what's going on with your transaction, you can always just come back to Bitcoin right here, click Bitcoin, and once you get to the screen, you're gonna click wallet. Now, if you're on your phone, it's not gonna say wallet on your phone. You're just gonna click the Bitcoin button again, right? Or BTC wallet is what I believe it says on the phone. So just go ahead and click that, and as you can see here, Bitcoin sent, all right? Broker fund, this is the transaction right here. It is still pending. So all you have to do is just wait until this says confirmed. Once this says confirmed, it is typically gonna be either sent to the person or the broker, and you are absolutely good to go. So hopefully this tutorial made sense to everybody here. If it did, as always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar Effects. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.